How do you fit a Vitra wall hung toilet? Okay, so the toilet instructions are actually much more informative than the fixing instructions. They both rely on a few measurements. So here we are on the fixing instructions, and you can see we're supposed to be 10 millimeters between of thread, and then the rest is the barrel. The barrel is the thing that gets inserted. Screw that is this silver thing here, which goes all the way through these plastic components. Now, it all hinges on some measurements. It says A minus B equals X, and A is shown to be the distance between the edge of the toilet and the centre of the hole. So let's get A. Here's the toilet, there's the back of the toilet, and there's the centre. And we'll say, for argument's sake, it's about 10.5 centimetres. So then, what's B? B is the depth of the toilet fixing area, which is around here. So there it is, and then we get that, and it's about 4 centimetres, maybe slightly shorter, but perhaps they mean to this part, not this part. So it could be 4.5. Let's see, it doesn't really specify. So let's go with 4.5. So 10.5 minus 4.5 leaves us with 6. And the instructions say X is that part plus that part, which leaves us with 4.5. But it turns out if they actually send you more of these things, then you can add them together as per the toilet instructions, not the fixing instructions. So now we have 6. So, well, it's not perfect, it's close. We have 10.5 minus 4, maybe 4.5, which gives us the 6. Maybe we need 6.5, and we have 6. So this should work. Now, let's move on to actually trying it. So, we need to undo the grub screw. Leave it slightly screwed in. Let it slide out. Then you would put this part in there, and this part round there. Wait one moment. Now this only just fits. And as you'd expect, none of the turns add up or are overly fussed on being lined up, but we can get it in. So there we have the protective collar, and further around you can see the plastic bits, the 2 plastic things, and then the large plastic thing with the grub screw in. Now, it does kind of line up. I'm not sure if you can see this. So it's kind of line up. That's the grub screw there, that circular bit. It's slightly off, unfortunately. Let's apply an Allen key like that. So we'll end up screwing it like this, which is just about bearable, like so. However, if you followed the instructions earlier, you're in trouble. Why is that? This section has now got to be attached to the wall and slide into to there. And as you can see, there's quite a big gap. The instructions and the technical support say 10mm of thread followed by this. Well, had we have done that, it doesn't take a genius to work out, this was not going to reach. So this part to the centre is 7 and 10mm, so 7 centimetres and 10 and 1 centimetre make 8, not 10 to 10.5. So we must leave 30mm of bolt showing before we can actually get this to attach. And then this should slide all the way in, plus our 30mm of bolt should give us the correct distance. Let's just double check. Yes, exactly right. Goes along 30mm. So please could you confirm if that is correct? I'll just show you how we've got the bolts. Wait for it to go in focus. So they have left slightly more than 30mm there, nearly 35. So perhaps they need to shave that off a little. But I can see why, because they've lined the centre of that hole up to 10.5. And the same that side. Okay, thanks.